In the current context that we are living in, traditional welding training is inefficient, costly, and polluting the environment. Industry 4.0 increases pressure for innovation, and digitalization is a key driver for performance. Consequently, every company is continuously looking for productivity increase, cost reduction, and environmental impact reduction. Technology enables all of this, and simulation has proven success transforming modern training. Aviation and medical industry have been using simulation training since the 1960s. And for the last 10 years, we're seeing already welding academies around the world using simulation as part of their training practice. So why not simulation to revolutionize the training for professional welders in the industry? Seabury is proud to present Soldamatic Industrial Services, solutions to maximize your performance. Soldamatic is a patented, state-of-the-art, turnkey, scalable, and effective welding training solution, which is powered with Hyper-Real Sim, a multi-sensory experience that combines real physical elements and augmented reality technology. Soldamatic Industrial Services helps the companies to accelerate the upskilling of their professionals, maximizes the quality, and reduces the costs. Furthermore, it increases efficiency and productivity, as well as it reduces the risk and the environmental impact. Regardless of the size or complexity of the need, Soldamatic Industrial Services is able to tackle any project thanks to its qualified technical team of engineers, professional welders, and software developers. The Soldamatic Industrial Services model follows 4 phases. 1. Assessment.
So the first phase is the assessment, and here we do 2 things. First, to analyze the general training needs. So how many welders, how many coupons, how many attempts, how long does it take? Is there any certification? And the second thing is to analyze the coupon or the coupons that they use in their training. So what are the characteristics of those coupons? What are the materials? What are the thicknesses? How many weldments? What are the WPS, the macrographics? So with these 2 things, we are able to propose a final offer to the customer that will include a scope of work and a return on investment.
2. Development.
The second phase is the development. In this phase, our professional welding expert will calibrate the real welding coupon, analyzing the welding bits, WPSs, macrograph, etc. Then, our industrial services team will transform the real welding exercise into a mental reality simulation, according to the specific welding needs.
3. Implementation.
The third phase is the implementation. In this stage, our technical team will go to your facilities and will install your customized solution. Then, they will train the trainer and digitalize your welding training content.
4. Software as a service.
And the fourth phase is where we start using our solution under a software as a service model, where we pay an annual fee, which includes the usage of our coupons, like this one or this other one, any customer support that you would need. You will be always in the latest version of our software, so it will include any upgrade and update. It will include the cloud-based service, because all this software would be run on the cloud. And finally, it will include also the reporting so that you can track the performance and the return on investment.
Soldamatic Industrial Services 4-phase process will allow you to maximize quality and reduces cost, upskill trained professional effectively and quickly, increase efficiency and maximize performance, reduce risk and environmental impact. Soldamatic Industrial Services, solutions to maximize your performance. Interested in knowing more? Contact us via soldamatic.com.